Welcome to the Bearded Sharpener. Today is part 2 on the series of making a lever sheath for the Lander 4 from Naps. We're going to do the sanding today, mark it with the pricking irons, drill out the holes, and we'll go from there. Now we'll get started. When I cut the parts out for the sheath, I cut them close. That way we wouldn't have much trimming and sanding. I'm starting this with a coarse sanding drum. It's not going to take a whole lot to do this one. The sanding and grinding attachment for the Dremel allows me to keep a straight edge. Although you do have to take the attachment apart partially to change your sanding drum. The fine grit sanding drum leaves very little to be hand sanded. I do that off camera. When we get finished with that, we'll be ready to mark the stitching holes and drill them out with a Dremel drill press. I marked the stitching groove off camera to save us some time. I also used the beeswax. It helps keep the pricking. This is the first sheath I made using an ulti clip. Due to the piece of leather behind to cover up the ulti clip, I have to use another piece to compensate. That way I have a flat surface. I take my time drilling the holes. You don't want to go too fast. Keep them all lined up as straight as you can. I have this Dremel running at half speed. I have an extra piece of leather for support to compensate for the ulti clip. Trying to keep everything as straight as possible, although it is a little challenging, but that's how you learn. Here's where it was challenging. If you notice, I've removed the sheath from underneath the drill press. I wanted to check myself several times to make sure everything was going straight. After all the holes are drilled, this will be the conclusion of part 2. Make sure you watch part 3 where we do the stitching with beige thread. See you then. Just a reminder for the viewers, like and subscribe to this channel. Hit the notification bell. You'll stay up to date on all the latest content from the Bearded Sharpener, bringing great reviews on great products. Till then, have a good day.